I have found an extremely cringy video. I started watching it, I didn't finish it. I had to show people the cringe. Alright, let's get into it. It's more Australian dancers. Oh my god. Let's start it from the beginning. Like, the beginning is just terrible. There's this fucking person, like, for some reason they got an upside down Australia thing. It says Australia upside down. She's like trying to get everyone into the circle. And then some old dude comes in. God. Where did we find this dude? Where did they find that dude? Who's next? This guy? Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this. And his fucking hat falls off. Who's next? This is the worst one I've ever seen. That's the worst worm I've ever seen. Then this psychopath comes in here, like, runs in a circle, pointing a gun in the air. Go back a second. What was that? Go back to that worm real quick. This is the worst worm I've ever seen. Oh my god. Get out of here. Next. I'm gonna shoot a gun in the air in a circle. Oh. Get out of here. Who's next? What is this? Just stay at home if you're gonna do the fucking sprinkler that bad, bro. Oh, then this person. What is this? She's like, yeah, I can dance. Yeah, get the crowd hype. Yeah, I can dance. Hell no, you can't. You're doing little hops. Ugh, then everyone jumps in like, what is this? And I imagine the video continues, but they cut it there, so I'm gonna just leave it there. It's some terrible shit right there. I had to show everyone. I had to show y'all.